Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an essential tutorial, how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN. In the digital age, online security and privacy are paramount. While many VPNs claim to offer the best protection, not all live up to their promises. Dark Tunnel VPN, however, stands out by allowing you to customize your settings for enhanced security and privacy. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional V2Ray VMess server set up for fast and secure internet. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. Once you're on the home page, find the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Options menu, then select V2Ray Slow DNS Server. On the next page, choose your preferred server location. Once selected, you'll be directed to the account creation page. Here, enter your username, complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot, and click Create Now. Within moments, your V2Ray server details will be generated and displayed on the screen. Next, install the Dark Tunnel VPN app on your mobile device. Open the Google Play Store, type Dark Tunnel VPN in the search bar, and press Enter. When the app appears in the search results, click on it and tap the Install button. Wait for the download and installation to complete, then tap Open to launch the app. Once inside the app, navigate to the menu by clicking the 3 dots in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Config File, and then tap the Import button. Choose the clipboard option to import your server details. After successfully importing the data, return to the home screen and tap the Connect button. In just a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will connect, providing you with a secure and fast-speed internet experience. And that's it! You've successfully created and set up a V2Ray VMess server on Dark Tunnel VPN. With this setup, you'll enjoy enhanced privacy, security, and speed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, be sure to visit our blog. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.